In this video, we are looking at Tozo Golden X1 Bluetooth IM. I usually do not get Bluetooth based products, but this is an interesting one. This one has a hybrid driver and is priced decently at $120. 120, 130, at times $150. So yeah, the price kind of varies, but it's a very interesting kind of product with a hybrid driver. So that is what fascinated me. So you guys can see balanced armature and dynamic driver, LDAC, high resolution audio wireless and stuff. So this is a fairly interesting kind of product. Hybrid drivers are obviously fascinating on a Bluetooth IM. It's not new for sure. KZ has been doing that kind of stuff for a lot longer, but they do not have the kind of equipment that this one has. 32 hours ultra long. No, 32 hours is not exactly ultra long. There are Bluetooth IMs that can do more than that. Smart battery capacity and stuff. Bluetooth 5.3 IPX6. So that is a good thing. Balanced armature, 12 dynamic driver, you guys can see, and that's supposed to deliver very good quality. How to open this? Open, okay, and I'll have to pull it. Not bad. So you guys can see LDAC. There is LDAC support. And here is the frequency curve, but we do not have any magnitude here, so nothing mentioned. That looks fairly V-shaped, I believe, and that is perfectly fine for a Bluetooth IM. The good thing about this one is that it has active noise cancellation, ANC. Have they mentioned it somewhere? Yeah, active noise cancellation, so that's a very good thing. Noise cancellation at this price is a must. And another very interesting thing is that this charging case supports wireless charging. That is a very interesting thing. It is kind of rare for Bluetooth IMs to have wireless charging, but this one has wireless charging, and that is fairly interesting. 95% battery we have at this point of time. So let's see how it is supposed to go. I'm not exactly sure. Why the IM is not in it, I don't know that either. Okay, so yeah, my mistake there. Nice. So here we go. Tozo Golden X1. What are the stuff we get with it? Pairing. So there is a bit of illustration. Put it back. Pairing, wearing, charging. Okay. So nice, nice kind of illustration, and this is fairly similar to what I have with the audio, not audio Technica, with Techniques. These tips are kind of ovalish and looks nice. Looks nice. Nothing else. Nothing really else. A short cable is supposed to be here, I believe. Yeah, a Type C short cable. I think 30 cm. Yeah, 30 cm cable. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Tozo Golden X1. I'll compare it with Technics AZ60. That is a bit too expensive at $250. This one is nearly half, 150, $130. So this looks nice. This looks nice. Very good. Good looking Bluetooth product. So this is it, guys. Unboxing of Tozo Golden X1 with hybrid drivers. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.